Hi, I wanted to show you how to use Make Believe's Comics. Very easy, very user-friendly. This is the website that we're in. When you get here, click on Enter Here. First thing you should probably do is put your name and the author's name. That's you, you're the author. And if you notice, it's a 3-panel comics. I like to think of it as beginning, middle, and end. I'm going to go ahead and click on the panel I want to work on, which is the beginning. And the first thing I like to do is put a background. So go ahead and if you hover over here, you see this background. Click on background and it shows up in the selection window. And there are a lot of different backgrounds. I want to use, let's see here, which one? I want to use the school. I'm clicking on that. And then I want to add people. So these are all my cast of characters. If I want this Elvis looking guy, I can put him on here. If you notice, he shows up in the selection window. I can choose different poses. Look, he's a vampire. He's Elvis. I want him as Elvis, so I'm going to click on him to put him into the window. There he is. But he looks kind of big. So if I want to make him smaller, I'm going to go over here. These are all my actions. In order to use action, you click on it, and then you click on the object you want to do that action to. So I want to scale him. I'm clicking on him. I get a slide. It's either larger or smaller. I want him smaller. But he looks like he's in the window, blocking the window. So I want to move him. So I'm going to click on move, and then I'm going to move him. There he is. If I wanted to flip him, I could click on flip, and then I could click on him. And I flipped him, I moved him. If I didn't like him at all, I could click on, I'm flipping him, I could click delete, and I click on him, and he's gone. So these are the different ones, the people you can add. So if I wanted the owl, there's different owls. I'm going to click on him, put him in. Again, I want him smaller, click on scale, click on him. I want to make it smaller. There he is. I want to move him. There he goes. And if I wanted to add another character, I can add this girl and click her. She looks too big. I'm going to scale her again. Click on her, make sure. I want to move her. And then I'm going to probably flip her. Okay. If I want to add talk bubbles, there's talk, thought, and panel prompts. So if I'm going to do talk bubbles, I can click through them just like the other one. Then you click into the bubble to type what you are so funny. It looks kind of big, right? So what I want to do again is click scale, click on the thought bubble. I'm going to make it smaller. Now I need to move it, so I'm going to click on move, and then I'm going to click it closer to her. And then you can add text for him. You can also add objects. So if I click on objects, I click on one of these, I can add different things. So if you want a bike, a gift, a letter, a teddy bear, a doll, a hat, flowers, you can add pretty much like the cell phone. When you first click on it, you can actually move it, but it looks too big. So I'm going to make it smaller. There we go. She's got a cell phone in her hand. Once you have done this for all 3 panels, you've completed your assignment and you're done, you're going to click on this next tab. You're going to select number 3, the email. You're going to put your name, your email. If you don't have an email address, you can use the school's, which is the first letter of your first name, your last name, the @, stu.neisd.net. And then you're going to look on the paper and you're going to find your teacher's email address and you're going to put that there. And then you're going to click email comix. Be careful, there's lag time when you use the VDIs. It takes a little bit of time, so don't panic. It will get there. But if everybody's finishing at the same time, it does that. So that is how you use Make Believe Comics. If you have any questions, come see me. Very user friendly, very easy. Have a great day.